Hello friends, Jai Hind. So today's my lecture topic is women empowerment. As we all know that out of the total population, 50% of the population is of women. But out of the total income, only 10% of the income belongs to women. Out of the total property, only 1% property is on the name of women in the world. It means that women empowerment and gender inequality and gender discrimination is a global issue. In the earlier times, many social activities, many religious customs were against women. But because of many revolutionary movements, many revolutionary activities, those religious customs were destroyed. Now talking about the present situation, to empower India, Indian Constitution have provided many rights to women. After Republic of India in the year 1950, full voting rights were given to women. Equality in pay is also given to women. As we all know that reproductive rights is the part of personal liberty. So this personal liberty is also given to women. Maternity leave of women is increased from 12 weeks to 26 weeks. So this is for the safety purpose of women. Now talking about the some defense forces like in Indian Army, permanent commission is also given to women. Many strict laws were established in India against female foeticide. Dowry prohibition, to stop dowry and to stop domestic violence. Dowry Prohibition Act deals with domestic violence. Prohibition of Child Marriage Act. This law is also established to empower women. As we all know that dowry is illegal in India, but this is the most misused law in India. The Supreme Court speaks about women's right in parents' property, but because of social pressure, women are not taking equal rights in the property. So this is also one type of challenge in front of Indian government. As we all know that marital rape is also a big issue in front of many women. But because of not proper thinking, marital rape is not crime in many parts of India till now. Now talking about various data which is published by FCRB report to 2020. From 2010 to 2019, crimes against women were increasing every year. One woman died every hour in India because of dowry. 4 women raped every hour in India. 14 cases registered every hour in India under cruelty by husband in India. More than 30% women face physical or sexual violence in their lifetime. 70% of the human trafficking victims are women. So this is all about the data which is published by FCRB report. So this is the big data and on which we have to work togetherly. And in India, only 5% women have equal rights to choose their life partner. So to stop this all things, we have to work togetherly and we have to take one step against such activities. This is all about my topic, so I hope you all understood about it, and thanks a lot to listen me carefully. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.